There we go. 25 minutes in the oven. I gotta admit, it's looking pretty tasty. Let's try serving a little up. Oh. Do you ever watch cooking videos on YouTube and think, I can do that? I do that all the time. This is a recipe I saw Pepper Belly Pete make. He's got kind of a cool YouTube channel. If you like cooking videos, check him out. I hope you enjoy this one. I hope it turns out. I'm about to make a pasta pizza oven bake. Thought we'd do something a little different. Here are the ingredients. We're going to use some of this pasta here, 3 cups of it. 25 ounces of spicy marinara. If you've never had it, this Mazzetta stuff is great. We got some both mozzarella, cheddar cheese. I got some deli sliced pepperoni, a pound of hot Italian sausage, a pound of ground meat, and some peppers. We're going to first brown the sausage in the pan here, then we'll dice up those peppers, cut them up, and put them in there with them, and we'll be back. I got the water there that I'm going to get ready for the pasta here in just a moment. Right there I have that pound of spicy Italian sausage and ground beef browning. After that is done browning, I'm going to add the peppers to it. As the meat here has been cooking, I hit it with some SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic, and also with some Von Hansen's special spice. It's got a nice spice to it. Our water is ready for the pasta. We're going to cook the pasta until it's al dente, which means not all the way cooked. Alright, we got our pasta added. I also put some salt and a couple of drops of olive oil in there to keep the noodles from sticking. Our ground Italian sausage and hamburger is getting close to being done. Alright, I've added the peppers to the sausage and ground beef, and we're going to cook that until they're soft. We've got our noodles boiling there. We're going to cook those until they're al dente, and that means like just before they're fully finished. You know, they'll still be a little sticky, and that's because they're going to further cook once they're in the oven. We also are starting the oven. We're going to preheat that up to 350 because this is going to cook in the oven at 350 for about 20-25 minutes. I'll be back. All right. My sausage, hamburger, and peppers are done, and my pasta is almost done. I'm going to transfer this over to this glass baking dish here. I could just make everything in the cast iron pan and just stick the cast iron pan in the oven, but because this is going to be a tomato-based dish, the tomato base, because it's acidic, will eat away at the nice seasoning I have on the pan, and so I don't want to do that, of course. So again, we're going to put it in this glass dish, and we'll do it that way. I'll be back. Alright, we've got our sausage, ground beef, and peppers transferred to the glass baking dish. Pasta is almost done. Again, we're cooking that al dente. And we got the cast iron pan cleaned. The reason why we transferred it to the baking dish is we don't want to lose our seasoning by cooking a tomato-based dish in there, because it's acidic. It'll eat away the seasoning on the pan. When the pasta is done, we're going to put the pasta in here. Alright, we've added our 25-ounce jar of spicy marinara to our baking pan. The sausage, beef, and pepper mix. Right there we have 3 cups of al dente cooked pasta. We added that to our mixture of 1 pound of spicy Italian sausage, a pound of ground beef, and some diced up peppers, and 25 ounces of spicy marinara. Add to this some pepperoni. Never have too much meat on a pizza. At least that's my thinking. I got this idea from a video I saw on another YouTuber's channel. I'll put a link to that in the video description. Alright, we're going to add some cheese to that. Mozzarella here. You like a lot of cheese, right, Dan?
Mm-hmm.
Should get a nice layer across the top there. You think a little more?
Oh, I don't know. Looks pretty good.
Alright, it's going to be cheesy. Top of that, we'll put one more layer of pepperoni to make her look pretty. Alright. On top of that, we're going to do a little bit of cheddar, just to give it a little color. Also, it's a little prettier with that orange on top, plus the cheddar adds a nice taste. Of course, we'll throw some garlic on top. Because my sweetie likes garlic, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we're going to take that, pop it in our oven at 350. I'm thinking it'll go 20-25 minutes. We'll check it at about 20 and we'll see how it goes. I'll be back. There we go. 25 minutes in the oven. I gotta admit, it's looking pretty tasty. Let's try to serve it a little up. Oh. Well, it's bubbling still, so we're going to let it sit for a little bit to cool. I'll be back before I take a sample. Look at that. Well, I'm going to give her a bite. I gave her a couple minutes to cool down. Oh, that is very good. Holy cow. Ooh, the cheese has got some pull.
Ooh.
This is so good. Oh my. I gotta give you a bite, Tim.
How hot is it though? Is it super hot?
No, it's pretty cool. Here's one for beautiful wife. It is really good. I think I'm going to pop that in the regular cooking rotation, huh?
That's like dangerously good.
Yeah. The only thing that would make it better is a nice slice of garlic toast to maybe scoop a little of this onto it. And, oh.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, there we go. I got the idea from Pepper Belly Pete. It's pretty awesome.
Thanks, Pete.
Yes. Like, subscribe, and share. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
See ya.
You ever watch cooking videos on YouTube and say to you, I'm about to make a pizza. There I added 3 cups of al dente cooked pasta to our 1 pound of spicy Italian sauce. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below. Woo!